To write module description text in the Alison Publisher tool, click on the Edit Module button in the Module Tree Manager. There are two text fields, one for the module title and one for the module description. Enter the module title text into the field. The maximum number of characters allowed in this field is 300, including spaces. The module title is displayed next to the module number when the course is published. Enter the module description text into the field. The maximum number of characters allowed in this field is 500, including spaces. The published module description is displayed beneath the module title once the down arrow is pressed. What you write in the module description box will depend on the type of course you are publishing and how much detail you want to include. An example of module description text is the following: 4 units of interactive presentations, course introduction and concepts, benefits of e-learning, cognitive theory of multimedia learning, and e-learning resources. This gives the learner an indication of the content that will be covered in the module. However, it does not overwhelm the user with too much information. When you are finished writing the module title and description, click Done. You will then be brought back to the Module Tree Manager. To write topic description text, click on the Edit Topic button in the Module Tree Manager. There are 6 text fields that need to be completed. For instructions on how to write meta titles, descriptions, and keywords, see the video on writing metadata in the Alison Publisher tool. The topic title field allows a maximum of 300 characters, including spaces. The text you write here will be displayed in the module topic list in the published course. The topic description field allows a maximum of 500 characters, including spaces. The text you write here is not displayed on Alison.com. However, it needs to be written for SEO purposes. It will also be useful when you are writing learning outcomes, lesson summaries, and metadata. For information on writing learning outcomes, lesson summaries, and metadata, see the relevant training videos. The topic description text is a summary of the lesson content covered in the topic. The best way to write the topic description text is to copy the text used in the lesson and edit it down to approximately 500 characters, including spaces. The text in the topic transcript field is supposed to be a textual representation of the content presented in the topic. The maximum number of characters allowed in this field is 1,000 characters, including spaces. Once you are happy with the topic title, description, and transcript text, save it by clicking Done. You are then brought back to the Module Tree Manager. Topic title and topic description text is different for learning outcomes and lesson summary topics. The topic title format for learning outcomes is the following: write the module name, then a hyphen, and then the words learning outcomes, as in the example shown. The description format for learning outcomes topics should be something similar to the following. The topic presents a list of the intended learning outcomes for Module 1 of the following course: Introduction to E-Learning Theory and Practice on Alison.com. The title format for lesson summary topics is the following. Write the module name, then a hyphen, and then the words lesson summary, as in the example shown. The description format for lesson summary topics should be something similar to the following. The topic presents a summary of the key content covered in Module 1 of the following course: Introduction to E-Learning Theory and Practice on Alison.com. Once you're happy with the topic title and description texts, save them by clicking Done. You will then be brought back to the Module Tree Manager. This concludes the video tutorial on writing module and topic descriptions in the Alison Publisher tool.